Really fought like a gallant soldier. Yeah, may install transformer to any. But all this while, I can't be wrong.
I have more than 200 bushels of rice that I have produced for this year. But the problem is how to transport them from the farm to my to the warehouse where I do stock them.
Because, like I said, IG is your Kubia. I am going to go to Wayo. That I got a swing into action immediately.
He made a promise on Tuesday. On Wednesday, I received an alert on my phone. On Thursday, I went and did the payments. As God may have you today, thank God Almighty for making today a reality. I thank you, Manasseh, whom God used to actualize the dreams of Elugumba. For the long time we've been expecting it. It's not easy.
Unity is to stand the severest strain without breaking. It is to become each other's harvest, to be each other's business, magnitude and bond. Bende is the pride of the Eastern Nigeria, the symbol of brotherhood. So, as it is said, we can only be as strong as we are united and as weak as we are divided. Beyond the 11 political divisions of Bende, we are many families, yet one people. So let us arise to the sound of the Ikoro in Bende. It is a call to serve at various strata, a call to build and equip schools of international standards, a call to beautify villages, construct better roads and improve on our socio-economic activities. By the golden words of Israel Moore Ayivo, leadership is an art expressed by the demonstration of characters worthy of emulation and inspiration. It is neither a title nor a position. The steps of one of the illustrious sons of Bende, Dr. Chima Desmond Anyaso, are seen not just as steps in the right direction, but also very valiant and praiseworthy acts worth emulating. In one of his numerous popular sayings, Dr. Chima Desmond Anyaso said, "Fear will inhibit one's ability to take intentional steps towards the desired goals." Then, there goes the clarion Ikoro in Bende. Gather the likes of Chima Anyaso, let us stamp out poverty among many other things that frighten the future of our young people, so we can hand into their hands a tomorrow with the strides of Aurora Australis. When there are more people with such foundations as Chima Anyaso Foundation, one free from fraternal and other biases, one which considers the interest of the downtrodden and aims at uplifting the brotherhood and entire Bende people, then in a short while, Bende will become the people's paradise. We shall soon be called Beulah land. We have all it takes. Ngwa itumbuzo, Bende, umuhu, ositem, uzakol, mpa, umimenyi, alai, ugwekenezuku, item, ibere, kaigano ni huono, ka Bende buruzo, ihe ndị ọzọ esotewe. Powered by Chima Anyaso Foundation.
Making tomorrow's man.